Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from TechTalk, and today I want to do a very quick basic video on the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, just showing you how to insert your nano SIM card here. There is no SD card for this device. It comes with 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, and then you can use third-party cloud services and also Huawei cloud services for more storage, but 128 gigabytes should do you quite well, but it is a shame that you don't see any SD card here. So I'm using the tool that comes provided. Like I said, it's a nano SIM card and we're using the Vodafone SIM card, and make sure your phone is powered off. Taking a look down the left hand side of your device, quite close to the top, you'll find a little hole that you can put your pin into to pop your tray out. I'll just show you up close. Make sure you push down straight. It'll pop up, pull your tray out. So as you can see, you've got a cut out for your SIM card here, and you can see how it needs to be laid in. Taking the SIM card, line up. Quite an easy device to add a SIM card into. So now that's like that, take your phone, make sure it's level, and line them back up. So lining them back up, push all the way in. Make sure it's all the way in. Press your power button that's on the right hand side. If you do have any issues, just drop a comment down below. I'll be happy to help. So I can see here at the top we've got Vodafone UK, and also we have some signal bars. So that was how easy it was to insert your SIM card. If you do have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below. Thanks always for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.